Hi, my name is Michael Johnson. I'm the director of Vibrantly Alive Yoga, and I'd like to share with you one of the poses from my level 2 training. So in addition to the actual classical pose that we're going to do, which is the upper portion of eagle pose, and as far as the base goes, you can either be sitting in Gomukhasana, you can be sitting in square, you can also be sitting in Seisan, sitting on the heels. All three of these are variations. But the important part when we're here in the upper portion of eagle is the staggered Viloma breath, which means while we're in the pose, we breathe into the count of 3, pause, into the count of 3, pause, into the count of 3, pause, and then we exhale out the mouth. We would do this 3 times while we're in, say, a 2-minute pose, 3-minute pose, and this is going to keep inflating this huge balloon called your lungs. So it's going to push against the internal wall of the rib cage, releasing tension from the inside. It's also going to create more elasticity between the rib cage, which is also going to help you breathe. And I think the reason why this is important because when we look at traditional Chinese medicine, which is the template for our meridian therapy training, we understand that grief is held in the lungs. So when I think about the lungs, it's not just only opening the chest, which is very important. It's also about opening the mirror opposite. Yeah, everything is in yin and yang. There's always 2 sides to everything. So opening up the back and doing the same practice, this breathing into the count of 3, pause, into the count of 3, pause, in poses like camel or in simple sitting back poses where the hands extend down, the chest lifts, the chin pulls away, and we breathe into the count of 3, pause, into the count of 3, pause, into the count of 3, pause, exhaling out the mouth. This brings a really structural way of starting to release some of these trapped emotions in the body. In my next video, I'll talk a little bit more about using the colors and sounds so we can actually also start to work on releasing the emotions and also create a visualization, like breathing in sunlight into the lungs and exhaling out grief and sorrow. So, I look forward to sharing more with you at another time. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.